Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. So first we need to open the app menu. To do it, press the crown button to wake up the screen, then press the crown button again to open the app menu. And here you have a list of applications installed on your watch. Find the icon of the application you want to uninstall, then you can press and hold on it. You will see the pop-up on the screen with the uninstall option. Tap on it, then tap on the check mark to uninstall the app, and it will disappear from the menu. Another way to uninstall the applications is to do it through the app menu. So if you're in the not app menu, my bad, through the settings. So if you're in the app menu, find the settings icon, tap on it. In settings, you need to find the option called apps, basically. In this menu, settings menu, you need to find the apps option, tap on it, then tap on apps. It will open the list of applications installed on your watch. Now you need to find the app you want to uninstall. Once you find it, you can tap on it, and then tap on the uninstall button, and then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the app will be removed. One note or one thing to mention is that not every app is removable. You can't uninstall every app on your watch. Some of them you won't be able to uninstall, so just be aware of that. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the crown button, and that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.